So I'm a strong believer in energy. Everything is just energy. If you carry this kind of energy, you bawa ke your new relationship, is the same energy. And that's also one of the reasons why it's necessary for you to break the cycle. There is a process that you need to do, healing, self-reflection, self-growth, so that you break that cycle, so that you don't bawa all the same baggage and energy to your new relationship.
So that's very interesting sebab I think Kak Mai Sakina pun when I'm thinking about few cases kan. So obviously bila kita analyse the case, one of the questions yang kita tanya ni is that your marriage ni kali ke berapa?
Okay.
And then the second one, your spouse marriage ni kali ke berapa? Right? And bila dia kata, oh this is my second marriage or my third marriage and my spouse my third marriage, then we will ask further questions about tell us about your past relationship.
Very good.
Okay?
Wow.
And most of the time kita dah boleh predict pattern yang sama dari segi choice of spouse,
Right.
perangai lelaki tu ataupun wife dia sebiji juga. So I have one case for example, he went through the man the wife cheated.
Wah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then the second marriage ni he got a wife also cheated on him.
Interesting.
So the question is, okay lah, kita expect that you learn your lesson or you learn your lesson, learn from the experience of your first marriage, and then the second marriage ni you akan pilih yang berbeza lah. Tapi macam mana pun dia pilih the same wife.